Subject Science 1, Standard 9, Lesson number 4, Measurements of Matter. Students, today we will learn about the molecular mass and the concept of mole. So first of all, see the molecular mass. The molecular mass of a substance is the sum of the atomic masses of all the atoms in a single molecule of that substance. Like atomic mass, molecular mass is also expressed in the unit Dalton, U. The symbol is U. Okay. The how to deduce the molecular mass of H2O? Let us see. We have molecule of H2O. H2O. H2 means 2 times hydrogen atom and 1 time oxygen. Students, we should know in the given molecule how many times the atoms are coming. See. So what is the atomic mass? Atomic mass of the hydrogen is 1 and oxygen is 16. So how many times this atom is coming in the molecule? 2 times. Number of the atom in the molecule is 2 times. Hydrogen is coming 2 times. So we should calculate 1 multiply 2. The mass of the constituent is 2. Then oxygen is 1 time only. That is why the mass of constituent of the oxygen is 16. See student, we should only make sum of this. The number 2 plus 16. Molecular mass is 18. 2 plus 16 is 18. By the formula, molecular mass is equal to sum of constituents atomic masses. So by this method you can find this. So see students, some examples are given. Let us see one simple example from this. See student, atomic masses are given here. Here is the name of the atom and in the bracket there is the atomic mass number is given. See, oxygen having 16, nitrogen have 14, carbon is 12. We will take this example NaCl. Na 1 atom and chlorine or Cl is 1 atom. Atomic mass of sodium is 23 and atomic mass of chlorine is 35.5. So let us calculate both this. After calculation, what will become? 23 plus 35.5 is equal to 58.5. So simply we can find the molecular mass of NaCl. Okay. You can calculate all this number by this given atomic masses. See concept of mole. Try this. One activity is given here student. Weigh mass of single grain of tur dal, masoor dal and chana dal on a balance. What was your experience? See students, we cannot take mass of a single grain. Okay. Weigh mass of 10 gram of tur dal, masoor dal and chana dal each. Count them. Count the number of dals, grain of each kind in the weigh portion. Is the number same for all or different? See student, this is 10 gram of masoor dal and this is 10 gram of chana dal. Then this is a heavier. Okay, chana is heavier than masoor. So we cannot say this same number will become. Okay, the grain will become different. Grain of masoor will be more and chana will be less. So actually what is the meaning of that concept mole? When element and compound take part in chemical reaction, it is their atoms and molecules that react with each other and therefore it is necessary to know the numbers of their atoms and molecules. So, however, while carrying out chemical reaction, it is convenient to measure out quantities that can be handled instead of counting the numbers of atoms and molecules. Concept of mole is useful for this purpose. So, how that mole is useful we will see. A mole is that quantity of a substance whose mass in grams is equal the magnitude to the molecular mass of that substance in Daltons. Thus the molecular mass of oxygen. One example here given here, oxygen. Oxygen, if there is 32 Dalton, oxygen, molecular mass of oxygen is 32 Dalton. We know that O2, then O is have atomic mass of O is 16, oxygen is 16. So O2 is 32 and therefore the 32 gram of oxygen is 1 mole of oxygen. That means 32 gram divided by 32 Daltons is equal to 1 mole. See, the formula is given here. The molecular mass of water is 18 Dalton. Therefore, the 18 gram of water make 1 mole of water. How that is coming? 18 Dalton divided by 18 gram divided by 18 Dalton. See student, what is the formula? Number of moles of a substance N is equal to mass of substance in grams. Suppose we have one molecule, we should know the weight of that substance in grams. Okay, and also the molecular mass of that given substance. And we have to calculate by this way. See, same formula using here, but first of all we will see what is the Avogadro's number. The number of molecules in 1 mole of any substance is constant. The Italian scientist Avogadro did fundamental work in this contest. Therefore, this number is called Avogadro's number and is denoted by symbol Na. You can see here A is Avogadro's. Okay. Later, scientists demonstrated experimentally that the value of Avogadro's number is 6.022 multiplied 10 raised to 23. Okay. So student, you should think what is the meaning of this number 6.022 multiplied 10 raised to 23. That means a mole of any substance stands for 6.022 multiplied 10 raised to 23 molecules. Means in 1 mole this much molecules contain. Okay, just as a dozen has 12 atoms, a century has 100 or gross has 144. A mole means 6.022 multiplied 10 raised to 23. This much molecules are present in the given molecule. Okay, for examples, a mole of a water, mole means molecule. A mole of a water, that is 18 gram of water, contains 6.022 multiplied 10 raised to 23 molecules of water. One example is given here. See how many molecules are there in 66 gram of CO2. Method. Molecular mass of CO2 is 44. We know that how to calculate the molecular mass. Okay, by that method here taken, the molecular mass is 44. So CO2 is 44. So what is the formula to calculate the mole? Number of moles. Number of moles means number of molecule in given CO2. So what is given CO2? Given CO2 is 66 gram. Okay, this is mass in gram, 66 grams. And molecular mass of CO2 is 44. So after dividing this, we can get here, see, 1.5 moles. Okay, but after this division, we can get 1.5 moles. 1 mole of CO2 contains 6.022 multiplied 10 raised to 23 molecules. Therefore, 1.5 mole CO2 contains 1.5 multiplied 6.022 multiplied 10 raised to 23 molecules is equal to this multiplication, having the answer 9.0033 multiplied 10 raised to 23 molecules. That means answer will be like this: 9.033 multiplied 10 raised to 23 molecules are there in 66 gram of CO2.